In this question, taken from the 2022 Junior Cert paper, we're given a function about how many minutes more than John it took Ali and how many minutes less than John it took Ali in a triathlon from the kayak, the cycle, and the run. So we're going to look at the questions first, and we'll keep going back to the graph to answer them. So did Ali finish the kayak section ahead of John, behind John, or at the same time as John? So he finished, it took Ali 2 minutes more than John to finish the kayak section. So if it took him 2 minutes more, it meant that he would have finished behind John because he would have been 2 minutes behind him. In part B, Ali had to stop briefly during the triathlon. John did not stop. State what distance Ali had travelled when he had stopped. So you can see from here that when Ali stopped, the graph didn't change, and he had stopped at 25 kilometers by the time he stopped. So the 25 kilometers here is where he has stopped there. And the length of time he had stopped was between here and here, which is a total of from 2 to 30 seconds, which is a total of 1 minute and 30 seconds. Or 1.5 minutes. In part C, what was happening, John and Ali at the point B in the diagram. So looking at the point B, that's where they are at the same point. But what is happening, you won't get full marks for this. So they're level, but what's actually happening at B is Ali is passing out John, or passing John out. And the reason being, all the way up to B, it took Ali more minutes, or he is behind John, but it started taking him less time after the point B, meaning at that point B, he's passing out John. So anything that had that phrase, he's passing out John at point B. In part D, it says the table below shows the time it took to complete each of the 3 sections in the triathlon, and using the diagram, fill in the 4 missing times for Ali. So reverting back to the kayak first. So if it took John 32 minutes to do the kayak, it took Ali 2 minutes more because he was 2 minutes behind it. So he was 34 minutes it took him to do the kayak. It took John 38 minutes to do the cycle. And because Ali was 2 minutes behind after the kayak, and now he's now 1 minute ahead. So he started 2 minutes behind at the beginning of the cycle, and after the cycle he was 1 minute ahead of John, meaning he would have done it 3 minutes faster than John, which is 35 minutes. And in the run, for the duration of the run between this point and this point, Ali stayed 1 minute ahead of John, meaning they did it at the exact same time. So his run is also 36 minutes. And when you add the 3 of them together, it gives you a grand total of 105.